Hey everybody, Damon here for Luxury Test Drives with Sophie. We are going to be featuring a really cool car today. I'm really excited about this one. I say that all the time, but really, to be honest, I am really excited. Because I had this same car in high school, minus the convertible top. This is... Yes.
Ta-da!
Yes. Guess what this is?
It's a beautiful car.
What year?
I would say it's a 1969.
Oh, Sophie, you're so smart. So smart. Alrighty. So today we're going to be talking about this 1969 Chevy Camaro RS SS convertible 5-speed restored. We don't know exactly when, but let's do a quick cold start, and Sophie's going to do a drive, and we're going to take it downtown and drive around. Maybe we'll go to dinner and hang out. So it's a built 350. Back when they did the restoration, we're assuming this car came with 3 other cars. Actually, there was a total of 4 that came from a local church, and they were donated. I would say normally this is cold, but it's actually 93 degrees because that's the temperature out. But you can notice this red steering box here. We did put a brand new steering box and a power steering pump in it. So all of that, all that's brand new. The engine was a built 350. I'm in it today because it's been sitting in the shop. So I thought I'll put a brand new battery in it. Love the sound of the old cars, how the doors close. We're going to talk a lot about this car today. A lot of neat things about it. There are a few flaws. We'll point those out. One of the things that we can't verify, but I did when I had it on a lift. Apparently, the person that restored it before the gentleman that donated it to the church, apparently the car was completely redone. Because as we all know, the VIN tag is a Z11. The engine is a replacement 350. It looks like it could have been from, I put it in the Bring a Trailer ad, the era that it came from, which looks like 70s, but we'll talk about that later too. Sophie, do you want to fire it up?
Yep.
Oh, we have a tail light out. That wasn't out the other day, but now it is. Car always starts right up. It does have that aftermarket, and I'll remember the name, carburetor. All the gauges, the lights, the dash, everything works, except for, this is the second car in a row, the radio comes on, the lights come on, but it does not work. There's a VIN number on the dash, the VIN plate. Engine is quiet. No valve ticking, no nothing. I don't think the engine has many miles on it. It has an aftermarket larger aluminum radiator, which is nice, especially here in Florida. All the brake cylinder stuff looks new or newer. I'd say the top of the hood and the insulation doesn't look perfect, but the car is really in amazing condition. And I believe it's been painted twice. So I believe that when they restored it, they painted it this color, and then sometime around, I'm not sure, but it was repainted again probably 15, 20 years ago. We'll talk about the interior, but listen to the engine. It's quiet. No lifters, no ticking, no nothing. Alrighty. It does have a battery charger thing here. It comes with the car. She was driving a 70 Corvette yesterday, so she'll have to get used to the clutch. got Flowmaster exhaust all the way back, not just the mufflers, but also the pipes have Flowmaster stickers on them. So whoever did the exhaust, they did it right. They did Flowmasters all the way across. So I'm gonna pick apart a couple things on the car. Both the headlights open. Obviously there's a rear tail light issue that we'll have repaired. There is a scratch here. There's a scratch here and here. This one's been touched up on the front passenger fender. The chrome is in really good condition. Wipers look great. The hood looks great. There is there's a small, underneath the paint, a small, I don't know what you'd call that, but something there. Somebody touched up something here. The doors are in great condition. There's no door dings at all. Mr. OCD's already checked all of that. As you can see down the body lines, nothing. This is all new rubber because normally that would have been disintegrated. Everything's in really, really nice condition. All the chrome, there's no dings or dents. This wheel does have some hazing on it, and I had our detail guy try to clean that, but I think it's just discolored. So from here it looks great, but if you get up really close, you can see some discoloration in the chrome. There's two spots in the back. Disappointed that light's out because I checked all of that just last week. There's two spots in the back. Back here, there's a small hairline crack right here, and the convertibles are notorious for doing this. In some of the cars that are older cars, there was rust issues in the back because of the drainage back in here, the way that the water flows in. But there's a small hairline crack there. There is a small, what looks like a bubble or imperfection here in the paint. And then there's a crack right here. And this one looks to me like it's possibly, it was filler at one time, but the paint, all this is underneath the clear. So whoever painted the car, it was a very, very expensive, well done. All this is under the clear. So these stripes are not on top, they're under the clear on the entire car. All the logos, emblems, chrome, everything was removed. So now I'm gonna walk around the car so you can see without me picking it apart. It's absolutely stunning. It's gonna be fun to drive this downtown with the convertible top down. My favorite thing about 69, and I had the 69 Camaro hardtop Rally Sport, is the headlights. I think the front with the valance and the lower marker lights, these cars are just, this is my favorite year of all time. If it wasn't a donated car from the church, I probably would keep it. Top's in perfect condition, does work well. There's a boot cover that go on the convertible top. We'll hopefully have time to put that on. And you saw all the pictures underneath. Hey, rev it up a little bit. Oh, you like that, huh?
I love it. So fun. Sounds wonderful.
Alrighty, Sophie's gonna take it for a drive. We'll see you when you get back. Have fun. Oh, it's a brake light.
Maybe it just makes it go faster.
It's not a, lift your foot off the brake. Yeah, it's a brake light. Yeah, brake light out. Okay, have fun on your test drive. Oh, there she goes. Yep, we have a left brake light out. Nice, you like it?
Right, I love it. Yeah. Very nice.
Where can you buy this at?
Bring a trailer.
For how much?
I don't know. We have a reserve?
Yes, this car actually has a reserve. Normally we do non-reserve cars. This one has a reserve because it was donated by the church with 3 other cars. And so yeah, but it's reasonable. Somebody's gonna get it reasonable. So we'll see everybody soon. Good luck. Happy bidding. All right, there you go. Happy bidding. Thanks for the comments. Bye-bye.